You got to learn how to do that because my fraction test is a little bit more complex than that. So, um, what she said is you look at anything common factor. Anything numerator and denominator can simplify. So for example, 13 and 26 is one from denominator, one from numerator. That can simplify it. And they can both divide it by 13. This is 1, this is 2. Now you have to be better with number because you don't get to use calculator. So you got to figure out how to do things faster. You have to look at the common factor. 15 and 45, they are divisible by 15. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 3. The answer is 3 times 2 is 6 over 1. That's equal to 6. Done. Got it? Okay. Do you guys know how to divide fractions? Yes? Okay. Oh, let's see. Negative 3. Sorry. Negative 3 and 1/7 divided by let me see what I want to divide it by. 2 and 1 over 14. Um, I'm gonna establish a group chat in this class for WhatsApp. So I'm gonna pass around the phone so you can scan it and then you can add it into the WhatsApp. So anytime you have a question, you can ask through there. So if you don't know how to do something, ask through there. Somebody will be able to help you. Ask when is a test. I'm usually there floating around. I will answer as much as questions as I can. But some people usually, those of people have my student, my class before, they usually have a group chat. Calculus have a 90 people group chat. Pre-calculus only gonna have 30. Um, and I actually have last 6 years group chat of all the kids that's my class before. So I just keep out a group chat. You guys can ask questions within, so it's much easier. So I'm gonna give you a screenshot of this group chat. So I'm gonna do that. So that's the reason why I'm using my phone. You guys solved it? Emerson? No? It's a dividing fraction. Okay, so let me reestablish a group chat first. Group chat. New group. Pre-calculus. Yeah. So get your phone out and just scan this code, and then pass around the code around, and you can log in. Yes. You got an answer? What'd you get?
Correct, I'm entirely wrong, but negative 1 and 15/29.
Possibly. Yeah, anybody got a similar answer? No? Yes? Who says yes? Okay, 2 people. Well, we don't know if it's right. So before you divide, what you have to do?
Make the negative.
You don't need a common denominator. Nope. That's only adding and subtracting.
Make them
Yes.
Just make them into improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Is that what we're gonna say, Ian? Okay, thank you. So how do I make an improper fraction? Now, a lot of people don't know how to make improper fractions here, which is that's very scary. But you do not worry about a negative sign first. Okay, I'm gonna show you what people usually make mistakes and drive me crazy is that they don't know even how to convert a simple mixed number into improper fractions. Here is actually 22 negative 22 over 7. So a lot of people don't know why that is because you think 7 times negative 3. It's not 7 times negative 3 adding 1. It's actually 7 times 3 adding 1. The negative sign, it didn't do anything until later. Does that make sense? Yeah, it doesn't care. So you're gonna multiply 7 times 3 plus 1, not 7 times negative 3. So those are things that a lot of people make mistakes. So this will end up to be 22. So this number times this number. Don't worry about negative sign adding 1. And that's that. And then divide 2. Nope, sorry. So what will be the answer here? 29 over 14. Good. I'll divide. What do you do? Divide.
flip the second one and then multiply.
Keep, change, flip, right? Keep, change, flip, right? Because it's divide. Division is not a very good way. Always, I don't even consider division most of the time. I only consider multiplication. So anytime I have division, I convert it whatever, right? So it'd be negative 22 over 7 times 14 over 29. And this, do you see anything can simplify? Good job, Austin. And that's 2. So that is going to be negative 44 over 29. And you can change it back to a mixed number, but you're no longer in middle school. You are in high school now. Only in middle school you convert back to mixed number because mixed number is middle school. The M mixed number stands for middle school. You only do that in middle school. In high school, you're gonna stick with improper fraction because that's a faster way to get an answer. You just move on. You don't have to stop. You don't have to keep on doing it. Does that make sense? So therefore, the answer is negative 44 over 29. Ian, is that what you get?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So you don't need to convert to mixed number. There's no reason because mixed number is just middle school. Now, some people mention common denominator. No, you do not common denominator at multiplication and division. So those are the basic things that you need to understand. That you need to understand that start from the scratch. That owning addition and subtraction in a common denominator. And the reason that being is you need to have same exact denominator for you to add and subtract, but you don't need to have exact same denominator for you to multiply and divide. Am I confusing you guys? Okay, so those are the things that usually people make mistakes. I'll give you one, but in the case for now, this is the 4th grade, so I'm just gonna move on. Is that okay with you guys? Okay, so I'm gonna talk about addition and subtractions now. Addition and subtraction, you gotta learn how to deal with numbers and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go to the next one, addition and subtractions. What is my addition? So addition is, like I said, it's negative 4 and 1/3, and minus 2 and 2/5. Okay, so I want you to subtract this properly. See if you can subtract it. I'm gonna check attendance. So if you're willing to learn, I'm willing to teach from the scratch, but you better work. If you don't work, schedule change, talk to Parati, says, this guy's crazy. I need to change it to a teacher that's not Chinese. It's fine. So he knows the drill. but I'm gonna teach you from very beginning, but I'm also teach you all the way to the end. So the transition is gonna be very fast. Fourth grade is only 1 day. You still need to know how to adding a negative number, subtracting negative number. That's what now?
Good morning again, science. At this time, we are going to begin with our device distribution. We will begin with students who do not yet have their laptops, last name S and T. Again, last names S and T. If you do not yet have your laptops, you may make your way to the media center at this time. Thank you.
Okay, so you guys got it? Hopefully, right? So equal to, again, what's the first job you need to do? Always change it in improper fraction. I love improper fraction. Always convert to improper fraction. This is 3. This is on the top is what? 13, but it's negative, right? So hopefully you didn't say 11 because you're not supposed to count that negative sign until the end. And the minus 5 to the 12. Now, what do you need a common denominator? So I use different color. I usually show teacher this because I want to make sure I do it right. Now, if you do it good, so that is going to be 15 minus 65 minus 36 over 15. And hopefully you got 101 over 15 negative. Why is 101? Because you subtract negative, you keep on going negative. Think about number line when you subtract. I don't know if you guys still have that issue, but I'm not going to go back with that issue. So you guys got to fix a fraction in terms of fractions. Got it? Okay. Are you sure you got it? Okay, now is a test question. All the previous may be a quiz question, but the test question is going to be called complex fractions. So it's a one question of 4th grade. So this one question, you got to be able to finish at 4th grade level. If I teach 4th grade, I want students to be able to finish at 4th grade at those questions. If I tutor outside of school, my 4th grade can do this question. They're not going to be afraid when they see this question. I'm going to show you what the question looks like. So this one is going to be 4 1/3 minus 7 2/5 all over 5 1/10 minus 2 1/2. Okay, so this is one question. And this is what's going to be that. So can somebody tell me what happened here? This is called complex fraction. You learn this in Algebra 2, but I teach in 4th grade. Why? Because 4th grade kind of need to know this. Because if you know how to do 4th grade, it's pretty much just individual part of composition of everything. So, what do you guys think? There's something invisible there, but it's there. But you guys got to know what happened. Don't do it, because you're probably going to do it wrong. So tell me what happened. Tell me what I should do first. Yes. Okay, that's a good start. What's next? Yes. Divide which one and which one?
The negative 7 2 over 5.
Nope. Good try though. Rylan? Rylan here? Okay. Jesus?
Sure.
Astrid?
Here.
Liam? Liam? Liam is not entered yet. Okay. Leah? Ian? Emerson?
Here.
Bennett?
Here.
JD?
Here.
Sarah Hetzes? Okay. Julia? Armin?
Here.
Ines? Austin.
Here.
Ines is not here. Okay. Austin. Brendan. Mariana. Andrew.
Here.
Mariana's not here. Okay, Andrew. Lopez.
Here.
Cohen. Sarah. Kaylee. Charlotte. Kaylee's not here. Kaylee is not here yet.
The last one.
Picard. Okay, so sorry, my bad, pronounced it wrong. Mirana's not here, right? Okay. Neoli. Madison. Oh, Ashton. I'm sorry. Jayla. Arden. Aiden. Sorry. Safa. Anika. Anika and Camila. Okay, so here's is Mariana's not here.
Is it Mariana?
Yeah, Leola.
Me.
Okay, sorry. The Marini is not here, and Liam is not here. Okay, got it. Okay, so the things that happened is there was invisible things here. For you, make sure that invisible thing understand it. So here you can put a parenthesis here. There is a parenthesis in the numerator, and a parenthesis in denominator. In math, there is always a parenthesis on numerator, and there's always parenthesis on denominator. Even though it's invisible, but it's there. So that makes that you don't divide 7 2/5 by -5 and 1/10. What does the order operation happen first? Parenthesis. That means the subtractions. So this is so important that people don't know. Those invisible things that people don't see. So now I'm going to change it to improper fraction like one person suggested. So it'll be 12, 13 minus 5, 35 is 37, all over 10 and 51 minus 2 and 5. And that's what's happening. But order operation still told me, says I need to combine those two fractions because I need to do addition subtraction first. Am I going too fast? No? Okay. So I'm going to multiply this by 5 over 5, 3 over 3, because I need common denominator when I'm subtracting, not multiply and divide. I need to just multiply 5 over 5 here because I only need a common denominator of 10. So that's going to be 15, 65 minus 15. 90 plus 21, so it'll be 111, I think. This is 10, and this is a 51 minus 10 and 25. And if you subtract correctly, that's 35 plus 11. What is 35 plus 11? 46 over 15 divided by 10. It's negative, by the way. 26. So now, do you see that this is divided by this? Do you see that? So can I rewrite to this?
Yeah.
And can I keep change flip? Can I simplify? Where? 10 and 15, so it's 2 and 5. And this is 13 and what? 23. Good. Still negative, so it'll be negative 46 over 65. Final answer. There you go. 4 squared done. We move in 5th grade. Actually, probably 5th and 6th. Questions? Yeah.
Why didn't you get simplified to 5?
Oh no, you're right. Good call. Good job, Salva. So this is 3. Sorry. So then, what am I gonna get? What is it?
39.
46 over 39. Negative. Good job, Safa. So I lie all the time, obviously. There you go. One question. Fourth grade, we're done. I'll give you one question, so please don't get it wrong. Let me see what I want to give it to you. Make sure you get your sign correctly. Let's just do 7 and tutor minus 10 and 1/5 all over negative 2 and 1/6 minus 1 and 1/4. So I don't know what the answer is going to be. You guys gonna check each other with the answers. Make it not avoiding it. You should be able to do it ISOs. AB and verify on that. Tell me you don't know how to do it. This time you get 60 something.
I got that. I took college algebra.
Exactly. That's the whole stuff on college algebra.
It's actually learning in this.
So sad. Do you guys all get a WhatsApp code? My phone. Everybody got a WhatsApp? You can add it in the WhatsApp. No? Usually I send homework through there, so if anybody can log it. Turn to the log it was WhatsApp. So start from today, you guys have homework and I'll post on WhatsApp because I just feel like I don't want to deal with campus.
How do you know that?
What do you mean?
This is the old packet that you gave me.
What do you mean you don't know how to know the book?
Please.
It's foil.
Yeah, but then like, don't you want it simplified?
You can, but it's outside times outside, inside times inside. So it'd be 4 square root 18. And then you had to do it 4 out of term. You had to simplify.
Oh, so then you don't have to simplify it all the way?
Wait, what do you mean?
It's like if it's like 4 radical 18, can't you simplify it?
You can simplify this one. Wait, hold on. I don't know. Is this? Yeah, so you have to do 4 square root 18, 6 square root 30, 12 square root of 48, and then 18 square root 80. And then you can simplify, see if there's a common radical you can subtract or not. This is algebra. This is algebra.
I know.
How BC and still don't
I
know
think you
how
should
to
be so proud of me.
Congratulations. No, I'm not proud.
And you put me as, what is it, blue at the end of the year? So you did believe in me.
I know you did. The all the time the other week when I'm doing my homework.
Hmm. Everybody should get the same answer. So you can check with each other, see if they got the same answer as you. Really easy to make mistake. And this is my test question is you're gonna have to show me all the work. It's no longer those multiple choice you can guess your way through. Your life's changed. For better or worse? That'd be probably a nasty fractions, but okay. Start from the first one. 3. 21, 23. Right?
Yeah.
Minus 5, 51, I believe.
Yeah.
Because there's a parentheses, so I'm gonna take it at operation first. I do not divide first. And that's 6, 13, negative, negative 4, 5th. Multiply by 3 over 3, 5 over 5. This by 3 over 3, 2 over 2, because I only need to get to 12. I don't need to get too high. It doesn't mean you get to 24 is wrong. It's just bigger numbers. So that's going to be 9. 69 minus 255 over 25. Wait, sorry. This is, I think, the other way. Yeah. So I did well here. So I need to multiply this by 5 over 5. This is 3 over 3. My fault. This one is going to be 15. 115 minus 15 and 253 over 12 minus 26 minus 12, 15.
It's
Isn't it
153.
153. Oh yeah, I can multiply right now today. Thank you. And then what you're gonna get is 15. And that's 35 plus 3, so it's 38. So it's negative 38. I'm doing okay? Over 12. And this one is going to be minus 41. So that's equal to negative 38 over 15. And I'm just still dividing. So I'm just do multiplication. So that's going to be 12 over 41. And that's still negative. So this is 3. No, this is 4. And this is 5. So that is left with negative 205. Am I doing okay? 38 times 4 is what? 152. Yep. But it's negative. So the answer is going to be positive here. So it'll be 152 over 205. You got it? Good. Thank you for catching my mistakes, but yeah, sometimes my eyes go twist. So now fourth grade is done. You guys gonna have homework? I'll post on WhatsApp. So usually I'll post around like my planning period. I'll just post all the question, and you had to show me the next day. So that means Monday you had to show me all the homework. I need a marker from you guys because we're gonna use them all. A lot of time I just have people do it on the board. So this board is never empty. So if you can over the weekend buy 2-pack marker, bring it to here, and we're gonna use it all the time. It's basically for everybody to use. So eventually you're gonna use your own share of 2-packet marker. So that's one requirement. A binder for this class. Some people already have binder. You know, it's easier to do things. You're more welcome to do it on iPad. It doesn't bother me. The YouTube channel is gonna be www.youtube.com and it's DJYUF. So DJYUF, sorry. DJYUF. And then you can access it to, in case you're absent, then you still have access to the information. You cannot tell me, say, I don't know how to do it. No. Even you sit at home in the hospital bed, you still can live stream my class. So. And also, if I class, normally never finish early, but if I finish early, please do not line up in the door.